Hey guys, I noticed when I was doing some of the homework problems that this was on there, vertical line test, and I hadn't covered that in anything in the earlier videos, believe it or not. So here's another video for you. The problem with keeping them short is there are a lot of them, but I would rather have them short than one big one. So here goes. Vertical line test. It's awesome. So we talked about earlier that with a function you can only have one x for every y, and that not every equation is a function, or not every relation is a function. So this is one way when you look at a graph to know if it is a function or not. Okay, so we have these three examples, and let's look down here and see what the vertical line test is. Okay. If any vertical line intersects a graph in more than one point, the graph does not define y as a function. So I'm going to use this purple highlighter, I guess, as my line. Normally I use my pencil. I'm really, like I've told you a bunch already in this class, I'm kind of a lazy mathematician. So instead of drawing a line every time, makes my paper nasty, and anyway, I'm just lazy. I use my pencil and I drag it across the function, and if it hits it more than once, then I know it's not. But now I'm going to draw a line for you so you can see what I'm talking about. So on this first one, the one that's actually on graphing paper, if I were to draw a line, say here, right, it hits more than one time. It hits here, right, it hits here, and it hits here. So this x point, let's just say 1, 2, the x equals 3. It hits, there's a point here, a y here, and a y here. So that's out, right? It's not a function. So no, it's not a function. That is a 0, not a function. Now this one, same thing. I'm going to go back to my purple line. If I were to draw a line here, same thing. Here, oh well, that's supposed to be a circle, and also here, right, it would be one. That's supposed to be a vertical line. Use your imagination, guys. And then also here, right? So anywhere on with a circle, it's always out. Now let's try this one. What if I draw a line here? It only touches at one place. So this one's good. It bends. So this one's not. This is a no. I'm just going to put no. It's easier with this. And this one is a yes. Okay, so that's how you use the vertical line test to tell if it is a function or if it's not a function. So no, no, and yes, okay? I'm going to clear this, and I've got another set of examples. Now I copied this from my teacher's manual earlier, so it's got the answers down here, so it's kind of a spoiler alert. Don't look. But if we were to draw our line here, I'm going to do it with a black line because that one's so thick. There we go. You can see it touches here and it touches here, so he's out. I'm just going to say in, if that's cool with y'all, because it's not fun to write on this. Now this one, you can take your pencil and draw it all the way, like run it across that, and you can see anywhere you want to draw a line, it's only touching one point. So this one is a happy little yes. What about this one? Anywhere you draw a line, straight line, it is. So I'm just going to make us a little happy faces. Aren't even very much fun on here because you can't see the eyes. That's sucks because I love happy faces. What about this one? We draw a line through it. It's no. It's a sad face. Yeah, it's a loser. Then here's some more down here you can do, right? This one is, because anywhere you draw, it's just testing one point. So this is a yes. What about this guy? We already know. Wow. Slow down, Shelly, slow down. There we go. He's a no, right? Because he's, 1, 2, 3. What about this guy? Yep, he's good. Or maybe make big eyeballs. Yeah. And a circle, once again, we don't even have to think about him. We know he is a no. He's out of there. Okay, so that's a happy little short 5-minute video on vertical line test. Okay, it's one of the best tests and you'll take in all of college algebra. I love it. Okay, have the best day.